Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Humaira with my next part of video. Friends, as you know, in the previous video we had learned first 11 alphabets of the Urdu language. Today we will learn some more alphabets. So let's start our lesson. But before that, please subscribe my channel so that you can find my upcoming lessons easily. Okay? My channel is Let's Learn Urdu from Alif to J. Okay, so let's start our lessons. Today we have start from the 12th alphabet, which is Dal. Okay, Dal has this shape and its pronunciation is Dal. Okay, Dal has the sound like the TH words. Okay, next is 13, which is Dal. Dal has the same shape, but it has little this symbol on it, and it has the pronunciation of Dal, and its sound is like the alphabet D. Okay, next is Zal. Zal has the same shape and it has one dot on it, and its pronunciation is Zal. Zal has the same sound like the alphabet Z. Okay, next is Re. Re has different shape and it is called Re. Okay, Re, as you are watching that its sound is like the alphabet R. Okay, 16 is Ade. Ade has the same shape like Re, but it has the same little this symbol on it, and it is called Ade. As you are listening, that Ade has the some different sound, and I think there is no alphabet which has the sound of Ade in the English alphabets, so you have to learn it with its own sound, and it is called Ade. Okay, next is Z. Okay, Z has the same shape, but it has the one dot on it, and its pronunciation is Z, and as you are watching that its sound is like the alphabet Z. Next is J. Okay, J has the same shape, but it has three dots on it, and its sound is like the alphabet Y, and it is called J. Okay, next is a different shape, which is Seen. Okay, Seen has this shape and its pronunciation is Seen, and its sound is like the alphabet S. Next is 20th, which is Sheen. Okay, Sheen has the same shape like Seen, but it has three dots on it, and its sound is like the alphabet SH words. Okay, its sound is like SH words, Sheen. Okay, next is Swad. Swad has the pronunciation of Swad, and it's like the alphabet S. Okay, next is Zwad. Zwad has the same shape like Swad, but it has one dot under on it, and it is called Zwad, and it has the same sound like the alphabet Z. Next is Toy. Okay, Toy. Toy, I think you have seen this alphabet before, as it was on the alphabet T, and next it is on the alphabet Dal, and next it is on the alphabet Ade. Okay, but there was it, and there it was little in the shape, but here it is the big shape. Okay, and it is called toy. It is called toy. Okay, toy, and it has the same sound like the alphabet T. Okay, not T, but it has the alphabet T. Before you have learned that alphabet T. Okay, same, it has the sound of T. Okay, but it is called toy. 24th is Zoe. Zoe has the same shape, but it has one dot on it, and it is the same sound like Z. Okay, next is An. It is called An. It has a different shape, and it is called An. And has the same sound like A. Okay, next has the Van. Van has the same shape like N, but it has one dot on it, and it has the pronunciation of Van. Okay, Van, and Van, it has the, I think, its own sound. There is no sound like in the English alphabets, so you have to learn its own sound. Okay, it is called van. Okay, so guys, today we have learned next 15 alphabets with their pronunciation, and I think remaining in the next video, inshallah. So till then, Allah Hafiz and bye bye.